If you own a recruiting agency or if you're looking to start your own recruiting agency, here are two sneaky tactics to find out who's hiring right now. So go into your LinkedIn account and you would normally come up here to the search tab and type in your keyword and then filter it by jobs. But in this example, here's what I want you to do. So go ahead and type in, controls engineer. That is a pretty popular skill set with the members that I coach. They're in that niche, but for this example, we'll do that. Now, I want you to take it a step further and do hashtag hiring. What I've noticed is that most internal corporate recruiters or hiring managers at traditional companies, clients that you'll prospect, when they make a post on LinkedIn to announce their job opening, they'll typically put the hashtag of hiring in there. So we'll go ahead and do that. And I also want to take it a step further and filter it by post, not by job openings. So here you go. Here are people that have made a recent post that they're hiring. So for example, here's a great lead, Hirewell, Michelle Mellis. And the list goes down. Let me move my face over here. So here's a gentleman. We are hiring for a controls engineer in Illinois, right? Now, some of these people may be actual agency recruiters, so you want to filter through that, but you're going to find traditional companies that need to hire a certain skill set that have posted within the past week as a post on LinkedIn, not as a job. So that's a great tactic to find really hot leads and to help them and raise your hand and be their go-to recruiter. The second tactic that you want to do is jump into Indeed or any job board and type in one of your competitors. So for me, it's NextGen Wireless, pretty big company, and go ahead and leave this open, hit find jobs. What I've noticed, a lot of recruiters will copy and paste their clients' job descriptions, and then you can swipe it and find out who they're working with. So in this example, they just advertised a new posting for a field technician. I kind of look through the job and see what I think they would copy and paste. Yeah, most likely they copy and pasted this right here from their client's job description. We'll go ahead and copy that and let's paste it in good old Google, hit send, and there we go. This is their client right here, Vivi Solutions. So now I know who they're working with. I can call into that company, talk to the hiring manager, and get the rec. Hope that helps, guys.